Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Dear Denise Diary. And as the title shows, we are going to be unboxing the my purchases from Temu. A little bit of housekeeping. If you're new here, welcome to Dear Denise Diary. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and also leave a comment behind. So Temu, Temu I would describe as I think it's a little bit like AliExpress. The first time I came across it was on YouTube here. I was just scrolling through and I saw someone reviewing things from Temu. I was like, oh, what is Temu? So I went to research it and realized that they weren't, at the time, they weren't posting to the UK. They weren't here yet, but they were soon to be. And not so long ago, I just all of a sudden the advert was everywhere on social media. Everywhere that I go, there was Temu there, and then the prices were in pounds. And I knew that okay, they've started posting here. So I went on there. There was this black flask which is in here. I'll show you. It's actually what attracted me to look at it. And oh my god, the prices. Well, you see, if you're not careful, you just be putting things in your cart. Just be buying because it's really affordable. But let's go through this and see what I got. So the first one is this 8 pieces makeup sponge, which is this. So this is how they have, like, this size, and then you have this one. Isn't that cute? I think that is for, like, well, let's open this. Getting a lot of makeup stuff, don't ask me why. Yeah, so this one has 4 in there. I like the colors. Yeah, so we've got 4 makeup sponges, but a few. That's it. And colors. So it comes like that. That's 2 pieces of this, and then there is this. I'm not quite sure what this is, but I guess that's a similar job. This one comes. It's this, and it comes in with this. So I guess when you finish wrapping it around here, you can sort of seal it or keep it on there by using the scrunchie. And this is a little bit, this is like silky, but I think it's satin. And so yeah, which is quite good for the hair. It doesn't absorb the oils from the hair, which is really useful. This one on the website, it looked bigger than this, but then again, everything looked bigger on the website. But it's not too bad. The size is not too bad. I have about 3 of this, I believe. This one, that's the 3 different colors. So that was the hair clips. Yeah, so I got this is brown, and then I have the white, and then I think it's black. I don't know, I need my glasses. Open it and see this one. This is how it comes. And I love this. I like the powder puffs for makeup. It's really cool. Okay, I really like them. And then a whole lot of makeup sponge, not sponge, but like the puffs sort of thing. The ones with the triangular ends. So this is how they look, and then they just go in here like that and it goes into the corners, which is quite cool. So I bought some black ones and then pink ones as well. This one, which is a makeup sponge again, it's a different type. I think this is where you rest the sponge on. And this sponge comes in this case. It's green. Lovely color, isn't it? I guess this is like, when you wash it, you can place it on here to dry it. Soft cotton pads. This one. These soft cotton pads. I'm not really entirely sure what I'll be using it for yet, but they look like something that can come in useful. So I'm just taking one to show you. They are folded like that, but if you can open it, and it's like that, so you can use it for whatever. I think even if you have, the face mask, if you have an excess of the liquid in there and you don't have those, you can buy dry sheets where you can reuse them. If you don't have and you want to concentrate on an area like under your eye or somewhere, you can literally just soak this and probably just stick it on. Well, that's what I think anyway, but I think this can be useful in a lot of makeup stuff. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, probably to take off makeup or just to wipe something. And yeah, so this one has 240 pieces in there. Oh yeah, they have it's not in English, but they have some sort of picture probably depicting what it's used for. I'll look at it later. Can you see? Look at the picture there. Yeah, I bought this makeup spatula. It's sealed. Okay, this makeup spatula, I see people using. I don't know if this thing, I don't really fancy it too much, but I thought it would be useful in other things, at least to scoop makeup, to do other stuff, not necessarily putting on your makeup. It needs a lot of practice, I guess. Why not? I may try it. So that's a makeup spatula, and I think there are a lot of things that you can use it for as well. So yeah, I thought that may come in handy during makeup. This is eyebrow pencil brush, it says. I'm gonna open it and see. This is it. Let's open. Whoop. Okay, so this is the tip of this one. Is it focusing? Yep. And let's twist. Twist. If something will come out. Ooh. Nothing yet. Oh, there we go. So when you twist, can you see that? Can you see it? Yeah, there it is. Should we swap and see what color it is? Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. I think it's for the eyebrows. I just want to try it. Let's see, and there's this part. You have a spoolie as well. So sort of work it out and then use the pencil over. So I think I got a makeup brush. This is one of those precision. So we lost our sound here, so voiceover it is from here to the end. I'm just opening the second precision brush. I bought two of them. As you can see, they are similar, but then the angles and firmness are different. So let's see the two of them together here. I'll put my hand behind it so you can see it better. That's it. So next we have these puffs. They're like for under eye. They're so cute, and I just place it on my pinky, and then you can just control putting like powder over your concealer. We now have this brush. It's a flat brush, very good density. I think it would be great for makeup application, like foundation. Liquid foundation would also be good. Then we have this powder. I'm not even sure whether it's my shade or not, but I bought it just to try. I want to see how their powders apply. Yeah, so I just bought this. It's got these puffs in there, which I love, and the powder apparently is silky. We will see. So this is how it looks like. So I think our spatula is got a first new job. It's come in handy. to open this. It's got some plastic around it, and I just couldn't take it off with my fingers or my nails, just couldn't grab it. So this is really good for it. You can see the plastic, so let's use the spatula to take it off. And there we are. This is Zoo Sun, it says. It's just under eye patch. You see what it is in a minute. I'll just open it. I love that it comes covered so it can stay sanitized. You've got a spoon that you can use to pick up each pad, and there it is. It looks very juicy and it's going to be great for under the eye. Now this one is a lip scrub. Now this lip scrub is also comes in a container and a little spoon for scooping. Let's open it, and this is just a foil on top of it. But look at the scrub itself. I think it's just too big. They're too big. Look at it on my skin. I tried to use it on. It was quite rough. There was no liquid or anything in that. It's just too dry. I don't like it. Next we have this, which is should I call ice. You just pour the water in here and then you freeze it. Once it's done, you can take off the pink part and you have a big lump of ice where you can apply on your face any redness or puffiness, or on your pores also, just to help it minimize pores. I don't know how true that is, but we'll try it and see. I have very large pores, and I just try in and everything just to see how best I can minimize it. So next we have this. This is actually a lip pencil. I just want to try it and see how soft or hard their lip pencils are. Let's swap it and see the color. There we go, and there we are. Do you like it? So we have this flask. This was an attraction to the site. This flask I saw, I thought it was bigger than it looks like, and yeah, that is how it looks like. It's only 500 mils. I thought it was about 1,000 when I saw it on the website and when it's been advertised. But I guess it's small enough to fit in a little bag if you have some green tea or something and you are going some sort of travel. It's got 3 cups. It's not too bad. But this is how it looks. That's 500 mils. So yeah, we'll try that as well. Look, this is the inside. It's lined up. It's a vacuum one, so hopefully it will keep things warm, or should I say hot or cold, for longer. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging with me on this unboxing. Have you heard of Temu? Have you bought from Temu? What do you think of their products? Please comment down below. Let's talk about it. This was my very first Temu product, so I hope to see how it does for me. We'll see how it goes, and I'll know whether I want to buy more or not. So thank you so much. Like I said earlier, I appreciate you all, and until next time, bye for now.